Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a different box. We have what is technically a Tili box, but it is a spring special box. So let's get in here and see what we've got. QVC has gone back to doing the Tili box, which is the Try It, Love It box. But in addition to the monthly Tili box, they're also adding some extra ones. And this was a special spring one. It was $49.98. As of when I'm taping this, it is still available, so as of when I post it, I will let you know right here if it is also still available. But you can just go in at any time onto QVC.com and type in the search bar Tili, T-I-L-I, and it will bring up whatever special boxes or monthly boxes they have available. So some don't sell out and you can get older boxes, and if they didn't by chance sell out, sometimes you can get them on sale. But when I was in there messing around the other day, I saw this one and it looked like a pretty good one. So we're gonna see what's inside. We open this up and it's a big one. It's bigger than a regular Tili box. And it was pretty and floral. Did you guys see how pretty and floral it is? That is what the inside looks like. So they do it just like they do their regular Tili box where they just, oh, there you go. It's covered in tissue paper. All right, let's dig in. I'm gonna reach in for one of the products that I see near the top, and I'm gonna do it first because I just did this month's Tili box. When I did last month's Tili box, people let me know down below in the comments that they had seen other people unbox it, and there was a hubbub about whether last month's Wen product was expired. And I set it aside and never even thought to check it, and now I'm upstairs. So when I opened this month's box, I checked it, and it was manufactured. I shouldn't say it had an expiration date. It was manufactured many, many moons ago. So I am anxious to see. This is, again, a Wen cleansing conditioner, and this is the Summer Tropical Paradise. And that is what that looks like. And I appreciate that since it's a spring box, we got a nice tropical one. But let's check the bottom of this because now I know where they keep that manufacturing date and see when this one was manufactured. Oh. Clever bunnies, aren't they? So they're not putting manufacturing dates on it anymore. This just has a code on it. So what I have to find out is if I can take this code and see if there's an expiration date assigned to it. I will look that code up, and if there's anything I can find out about it, I will for sure let you guys know, because Wen is clearly going to be in all of our Tili boxes now because it was in last month's, this month's, and this special one. Which is okay, because if it's not expired, it's a pricey product and it covers the cost of a regular Tili box. This one, again, was $49.98, I believe. I'll let you know for sure here if I'm off. But this one was $49.98, so it has a few more things in it, so this doesn't quite cover it. But if we can't use it because it's so outdated, it has zero value. Okay, we're gonna move past this because I harped on it too long in my regular Tili box. Reaching in next, we have a lifestyle product, and that's something else. With this special spring box, we have a couple of things that aren't just makeup, hair related. This is a really fluffy eye mask. I like it. It is super soft and satiny. It says, "Am I dreaming?" And it's just, how cute is that? It's stretchy, but it's also very adjustable. I like the idea of that because I don't have a dainty head. And I often can't wear these masks because this pushes into my eyes too much. So I will let you know if this one works. Reaching in next, I have an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is one of the reasons I went ahead and got this box. I love this moisturizer. I use it a lot. In the winter, I use my Drunk Elephant Lala Retro, and actually I haven't finished it, so I'm still technically using it. But when I am done with that, a lot of times this becomes my regular. And it, again, is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it's half an ounce, so it's half a full size. So I'll let you know what the value, I'll let you know the value on all of these things, but this has got to come really close to just paying for the box. This is a really good deal. And my Drunk Retro should be gone anytime now, so I will open this up because it's going to get used. And it's just a regular white cream. Oh, it smells like an old friend. I haven't used it all winter because I've been using my Drunk Elephant. And so, yeah. Oh, I can't wait to get back to that. And I don't know if you can tell, it just really hydrated my hand. I love this. I have if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll consider subscribing. But I have very, very sensitive skin. And this is one of the things that I seem to be able to use with no issues. So it will always be a favorite. Reaching in next, I have, a Turby band. It's in a nice little sachet. As I take this out, I will tell you, I'm busy thinking. I hope, kind of like the sleeping mask, that this has a lot of elastic in it because, again, I don't have a delicate head. My grandmother used to refer to the family head as a wash tub head. Oh, it's all elastic. Look how little it is. Do you guys tell how small this is? Let's see. Oh yeah, I believe I can even, ooh, making dust. I believe I can even get my head in there. That is really, that's big. I mean, this way big. Slide your head through the turby, pull the turby band up over your face, tuck your hair inside. Oh, so yeah, I don't think I'm getting all of this hair in there, but I will be trying this. That is really cool, and I love the color. It almost exactly matches my shower robe. Reaching in next, I have this. So let's get it out and see what this is all about. Oh, right, I remember now. I was like, I have no idea what that is. It is a Temptations mug. See how it's just got swirls in it? It's just kind of a nearly white, off-white kind of color. I like that a lot. It kind of reminds me, although it really doesn't look like it. I used to do Longer Burger back in the day, and they had a mug that almost looked kind of like this. If you did that too and you have this, let me know. It puts me in the mind of it. It doesn't look exactly like it, but they did one that was a special one that looked kind of like that. That is a big handle. I have to tell you, I might have to fight my husband for this one because although it does have some nice curves to it, that is a big handle that it would fit a man's hand nicely. I am very happy to have that. Whenever I want a new mug, I kind of have a rule that mug in, mug out. If I want a new one, I have to decide which one I don't love anymore, and I have to find a new home for it or just kind of do away with it. I don't think this counts because I didn't technically buy the mug. I bought the box, and the mug just happened to be in the box, so I don't think that rule applies. Reaching in next, ooh, I have a big bar of soap. It is the Beekman 1802 Summer Glow Goat Milk Soap. I am so happy to have this. This is a huge bar. I actually love the Beekman soaps, and I had them on auto delivery from HSN, where every 3 or 4 months I would get, I was gonna say 6, but I think it might even be 8 bars of soap because my husband and I both really like it. They are not this big. I mean, that's a thick, that's a nice size bar. I am very, very pleased. It smells really good. It's called Summer Glow. I don't know what that's meant to smell like. It does just smell kind of fresh and summery. What is in it? It has all the regular soap things in it, but then it also has shea butter and goat milk, jojoba seed oil, cocoa and nut oil, and it's cruelty-free and made in the USA. I love these soaps, and I love how big this is. I'm very happy to get that. Reaching in next, we have a book. You Have What It Takes, Erin Condren Wellness Log, Petite Planner. Well, that's exciting. Let's see what this is all about. I kind of really like that this box is done like a subscription box. The regular Tili's are just the makeup brands that they do on QVC, but I like that this is an introduction to like their Temptations line. They do so many baking products and dishware, and Erin Condren. Who doesn't love Erin Condren? And it's so pretty. All right, when we open it up, oh, it is. It's like a wellness goal. Oh, this is interesting. So the first page says, I hope I can get that. Okay, the starting point. And it says date, clothing size, waist size. So it has you put your weight and all of your measurements in. And then you put your goals over here. And then it's just page. Are they all the same? Yeah, page after page. That's really interesting of this. And it's Monday through Sunday, so this is a week's worth. So you've probably got a year here, I would bet, because that's a lot of pages. I'm going to turn this light down so that you can hopefully see it better. And that is what that looks like. I like that a lot. I've never had an Erin Condren planner, not platter, and I know that a lot of people like her, so that is really cool. It has activity, habits, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. These are very small boxes to write meals in. I guess maybe I write big. Water intake, steps, hours slept. I will not be writing down how many hours I slept. I have a sleep deficit and I don't need that yelling at me every day when I open my book. And last but not least, I have a Too Faced Diamond Light Multi-Use Diamond Fire Highlighter. I remember when these were really big, they did them in our Boxycharms, and I didn't get one, so I'm kind of excited to receive it. When you open it up, it's like you're getting a jewel. So here's the makeup. Oh, and it's the light white one. That is gonna be so perfect for me. I know it came in darker colors too, so when I just saw this in there, I wondered what I would get, and that is awesome. I love to shine. I love to put shiny things on, and that is so, I love I got that. Oh, it has almost a lavender cast to it. I hope that comes across. Wow, that's a gorgeous shine. It's right here, and I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of lavendery. That is so pretty. It really makes me think of my Hourglass shine. I like that a lot. I think you could probably make it either subtle or pa-chow. I like pa-chow. So this was a good box. We have this nice Erin Condren wellness log, which might not work for everybody, but I love writing things down, not just putting them like in my phone or in my iPad. So this totally works for me. I will absolutely use it. We have the Turby Band to pull our hair up. I imagine like when I'm washing my hair in the evenings, that's when I will use it most. And then the Am I Dreaming eye mask? Sleeping mask. Sleeping mask is the word I was looking for. We have this awesome Too Faced highlighter, which I know a lot of you probably have, but I didn't have it, so I am very happy to get it. We have the Wen, which I will have, in theory, looked the code up on, so we will check that out. Hopefully we can get good information. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is 0.5 ounces. This probably almost pays for the box. And then the Beekman 1802 soap. And if you have never tried it, I would very highly recommend, I can highly recommend the Beekman soaps. I love them. I have used them for quite some time. I do switch them out with when I get like a Tokyo Milk from Margot Elena. I do use that, but then I go right back to these. That was the special spring Tili box. And again, I've let you know here if it is still available. Oh, our mug. We also got a mug. If it is still available, and if you are interested in getting it, the easiest way is just go over to QVC.com, type in Tili, and it will bring up all the available boxes, but I'll put the QVC link down below for you. It's not an affiliate link or anything, it's just a QVC link. And thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. This was kind of fun and different. Let me know below what you think. Have you tried any of the Tili boxes? Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you all again really soon. Take care. Enjoy the weather out there. It's been gorgeous here.